So we have here spirulina with truffle butter on sourdough. Super delicious.
So most people don't think of pairing spirulina with oily or fatty or buttery stuff, but it's actually really delicious. The creaminess of the spirulina goes really well with the butter, and then the contrast with the crunchiness of the bread is really nice. So this is a good way to do it.
10 out of 10. I made it, so like 10.
I love spirulina in the morning. I used to have to eat a heavy breakfast of eggs and bacon to get my day started, but now with spirulina it gives me a great boost of protein and it keeps me full and energized all day without the inflammation.
Spirulina guacamole. It's really pretty. Makes me think of Christmas for some reason.
The freshness of all the vegetables in guacamole really highlight the way the spirulina blends into the higher fat avocado. You can hardly taste the spirulina, but you know you're getting a little more protein in each bite.
As someone who eats meat but tries to reduce my meat intake as much as possible, it allows me to supplement my diet with protein while also getting a lot of the vitamins and nutrients that come in leafy greens, which I also don't get enough of.
Spirulina mixed with hummus on a tortilla chip. The spirulina adds a fuller body to the hummus. So if you ever feel like your hummus is a little too thin, I would definitely recommend adding spirulina.
When you make a spirulina hummus, it has a ton of protein and you can really taste the hints of umami in the spirulina. Spirulina is really great because it can go sweet or savory. It has a nice umami flavor, but it's easily hidden in sweet things.
So we call this a spirulina energy bite. The recipe's on our website, and it's basically spirulina mixed with a bunch of yummy things and then rolled around in coconut sprinkles that make it so it doesn't come off on your fingers, so it makes a nice finger food, something you can take with you on picnics or the gym or what have you. I think anybody would like this. It's just kind of sweet and delicious.
These seem like the perfect thing for hiking. I can feel the energy. I like this one a lot.
So I will eat fresh spirulina just directly out of the jar. I think it's delicious that way. When I eat a lot of spirulina, I just feel like I have more stamina and just kind of a leveled out blood sugar, no highs, no lows all day long, which is great. And then there's just kind of an overall feeling of glow, like healthiness. It's really nice.
So growing food and sharing food for me is just part of family and community. I think sharing food with people is just a deep, deep value of mine and something that I think really creates bonds and energy between people.